let's look at a different example, just one more example so that you can understand it better. So let's say I'm given with an equation x dash y z dash plus x dash y z plus x y dash z dash plus x y dash z. This is my equation, and I have to fill the k-map and solve this equation. So let's quickly make the 8 boxes of the k-map. All right, and then let's label it x here, y and z here. All right, so if you are given with any equation, the first thing that you have to do is write the values from these equation. So if this equation is in sum of products form, or you know the value is 0 1 0. So wherever there is prime, 0, and wherever it is not, just 1. 0 1 0. So and 1 0 1 and 1 0 0 and 1 0 1, right? So here it's 0, it's 1. We have already learned how did we write it. So 0 0 0 1 1 1 and 1 0. All right, now 0 0, first of all look for the first term, 0 1 0. So 0 1 0, here you will write 1. The second term is 1 0 1, right? So 1 0 1, this is the place you will write 1 here. And then 1 0 0, it will be 1 0 0 here. This is where you will write it. And then last one is 1 0 1. So 1 1, I did some mistake. Sorry, this was 0 1 1. Sorry, the dash is with x. I'm sorry. So 0 1 1, and this one is 1 0 1. This one is right. This one is 0 1 1. So we'll search for 0 1 1. This is here. This is 1. This was done by mistake. Just this one. The other one is fine. So this is how we have done it. Now let's make the groups. So the rule is make the group as large as possible. Number 2, you can only make the groups in the power of 2's, that is 1 2 4 8 and so on. And we can also wrap the group on the borders, but here we can't wrap. We can make this group here. We can't wrap because there is nothing to wrap on this border, right? Or on this border. There is nothing to wrap on this border. So we will make this group here, and we'll make this group here. So these are the two groups. So for every group, we will write one term, and then we will write the equation as a sum of those terms. So for this group, we have to see, the rule is that we have to see what changed. So the variable which stays constant, we just write that. So here we can see that y is constant in both these terms, and z has changed. So we will just write y. And again, we will write simple y because here it is 1. If it was 0, we would have written y prime. X has also not changed, right? X is basically the value here is 0 1 1, and the value here is 0 1 0. So x has not changed and y has not changed. So we will write x and y. And x is 0 here, right? So we will write x prime y. And here we will see what did not change. So 1 0 0 and 1 0 1. So we can clearly see that x did not change. So x and y did not change. Z changed. So since y did not change, we will write y, and also y is 0. So y prime. So the final solved equation is x y dash plus x dash y. I hope that was helpful. Do let me know if you have any questions.